That's how you make a fucking homemade candle. Hopefully this freaking cup doesn't shatter, because I'm gonna be fucked if it does. And then I'm gonna put it out this way. Fuck, it broke. Oh, I was waiting for that to happen too. Oh, I got my foot cut. It's small, but still hurts. I got that piece. That's the piece that cut my foot open. You can probably see the blood on it. I guess that's not blood, but it's the lettering. Get all this gathered up here. This shit's going on YouTube. I've got. I was gonna put it out just as it fucking exploded. Cut my hand, my fucking foot. Got a dinky ass cut on my fucking toe leg right there. And I got one on my hand right there. Shit stings. Oh, you can see it right there. I expected that to happen. I just didn't expect it to happen at that point. Ow, my foot. And then I've got this. Oh, this little piece here. This piece here. Ow. Fuck, those are hot. And this one here. So I've got those in the cup.